Hey guys, it's me, LAT, and today I made a fake virus. Actually, not a real virus. Check it out. They want it up? Yes. We try. Restart. Delete the virus. More viruses. Abort. Abort. It just got pranked. Okay, have a good day and goodbye. And boom. You'll have to start up. Wait. What? Wait. I forgot what program it is. I think you have to. Yeah, you have to use notebook, or however it's called. Wait, let me find it. You need to use notepad. So I don't know how is it view it is. I'll just make it as small as possible. Then you. Actually, I'll put this in the description. Yeah, first let's check it out. Like you saw, TikTok is done. Do you want it up? And that's the program. And I actually forgot what I need. I need something. I'll just copy and paste it to the notepad. Yeah, you copied and pasted it from my description. And you can write codes, yeah, and how it is. Just change what is between these things. The text. Damn it. Between in the text you can change, and also you can change the what is wrong with this? The title and this. I'll find what I'll put in the description what these numbers mean also. And you want to do save as. Put it in your desktop. So you save it as any name you want, and at the end you have to have VBS. Oh Jesus! Then you save it. Then you have this. You press on it, and you have the thing. Blah 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 blah. And then you go to right click it, go to properties. Script security. Wait a second. I actually forgot where do I. Wait. No. Oh yeah, I just realized you have to create a shortcut. You create a shortcut on the desktop. Yeah, you just create a shortcut, and then you go properties, and then you can find change icon. You can pick any icon. For example, I'm gonna pick this, press OK, and press apply, and OK. Then boom, you have your thing. You can put any logo, I think. And you can prank someone with this. But keep in mind, this is harmless. Don't take any of this like a virus. It's just using a notepad. Yeah, you use a notepad for this. And then you like, yeah, so that's how you make a harmless virus. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video, and be filled with determination.